Door dropping and won't close? Car door sagging and hard to close? Stop slamming it and fix it like a boss in minutes. Tools you already have. All you need: a jack from your trunk, wrench, and gloves. Safety first, you've got this. Step 1. Lift and support door. Open the door, slide your jack under with a wood block, and gently lift it level. Feel that control? You're already winning. Step 2. Loosen hinges, adjust up. Loosen the hinge bolts just a little. Shift the door up into perfect alignment. You're turning weakness into strength. Step 3. Tighten, fixed. Tighten everything down. Close it, smooth as butter. You just saved some money and leveled up your life. You're unstoppable. Fixed it yourself. Like and subscribe for more wins. That's the power of DIY. You didn't wait for help, you became the hero of your own ride. Drop a comment below if you're trying this today.